I am at the Oregon Garden today for the second Fall Garden Fair, and I'm with Gay. And Gay, what is the organization that puts on this great event?
This is the Oregon State Federation of Garden Clubs, and we are an organization that's part of the Pacific region, which is part of the National Garden Clubs. There's over 160,000 members of the total NGC organization. And in our state, we have 83 clubs, and we have a population membership of about 2,300.
Oh, that's amazing. And you do so many great works. And you today, this weekend, you really want to have everyone join in the festivities and learn more about gardening and how to enjoy their gardens and public gardens.
Yes, this is an educational opportunity for our viewers to come over here to the beautiful Oregon Garden and see what we're doing, what we're about, how we can help them grow the most beautiful plants, design with their flowers. Workshops, we have 8 workshops that we're going to provide free of charge. So there's lots of things going on, and in just a minute I'm going to tell you a little bit more about those.
And thank you, because I want to talk to Phyllis, who is in charge of this unbelievable flower show. And so Phyllis, you are really the spearhead for all of the flower part of this.
Well, thank you. Yes, I'm Phyllis, and I am a master judge. And I have, with help, put together a flower show, a standard flower show, which means our designers bring in all kinds of wonderful flower arrangements with themes. So we will also have workshops which will help you to learn how to go from making bouquets to making designs.
And you know, we all think, oh, I can't do that, I have to be a professional, but you're really going to help us because you just need somebody to give you the ideas or hold your hand while you learn.
That's right, and it's easy and it's fun, and you'll be able to take home your own design. The reason why we do these flower shows is to educate the public. And most of the show is about horticulture. So these wonderful samples here, this will be how the show looks. So you'll come in and you'll see horticulture specimens with labels, what they are.
Oh, wonderful. So I'm going to talk to Gay again. So what else can we do when we come to this event?
Oh my goodness, so many wonderful things. The show actually opens 10 o'clock and closes at 5 each day, so there's lots of time to do all of these things. At 11 o'clock, we are going to have a memorial dedication for a Blue Star marker right here in the Oregon Garden. They have gifted us a place to do that. And we've invited veterans from all over Oregon to come and be a part of that so we can show our honor and respect to them.
That is wonderful. And you know, there is just so many things to do. There's plant sales, there's a book exchange. And so how do we get tickets for this great event?
You may buy them at the door when you come in, either Saturday or Sunday.
And then what about information, if we need more information about today?
There's lots of information on the Oregon Garden Club's website or the Oregon Gardens website. And they are 2 different ones.
Right. So, you know, you can go to gardentime.tv and you can get all that information. We can click you over to those 2 websites, but come on out, get your tickets, enjoy this event, and enjoy the garden. Thank you so much. Have a great event. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Judy.